Hey guys, it's Daniel from the Truck Insurance Channel. I want to go over what it looks like once you actually get a policy with Charles String Incorporated. That's my insurance agency. If you end up doing insurance with me, I have this client portal that you'll be able to log into after we get the policy set up and everything. And this is where you can go in, view your policy documents, your certificate of insurance, and you can even send certificates of insurance on your own. It's pretty cool. You know, like I'm happy to send certificates for you all day long, but if you're ever, outside of my office hours and need one, you can do it on your own right here once this is set up and you get this email and get logged in. So we'll click here and then you'll complete registration. Okay, you need to save the link here. It's pretty important you do that. Okay, and save. Sure. All right, there we go. Log in. No. All right, sweet. So this is what it looks like if you're on the desktop. I'm going to record another video so you can see how to do this from your phone. But policy info, documents, your vehicles, there's all kinds of stuff you can see on here. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you want to send a certificate though, we're going to go send certificate, and then right here you can start typing the name of the certificate holder. Like for instance, if you need to send one to, the most common one is Registry Monitoring Services, or RMIS. So I have it in my system as Registry Monitoring Services typed out. So you can find it here, but see how it like starts letting you see others that are in my system that maybe match similar to what you've typed so far. You can always start typing, and if nothing pops up here, then you can go and add a new certificate holder into the system. But like for instance, Registry Monitoring Services, or Registry Monitoring Insurance Services, Inc., whatever. It'll have the address here. If you get an email and like whatever you type in, whatever company starts to auto-populate, if you click on that, but the email doesn't match what someone's trying from the company that's trying to get you to send them a certificate, you can change this. So like if this was Sarah L at RMIS, you could just put that in. Or, whatever the scenario is. If they want a fax, have a fax, you can add that. That's all good. You can send a copy to yourself. This send CC to me actually sends it to me, the agent. But yeah, that's it. And then in the message, this was like literally just the email body. So this could be like, please see the attached COI. You don't have to type anything in here, but you can. Pretty plain and simple. Now, let's just say you weren't going to go with RMIS, but you needed somebody that's not auto-populating when you start typing here. So add new, and then you can go, broker, freight, LLC, whoever the company name is, okay? Their email address, any of their other contact info, their address. Normally, when you go to send a COI, you need the company name, their address, an email to whoever it's going to at that company. You don't necessarily need cell phone or fax number, but the things that are important for like standard COI operations is company name, which is the certificate holder's name, their address, okay, oops, and then their email address, okay. So you do that, that will add it, and then you can come over here and start typing it, and it'll auto-populate. And then you can do the same thing again. The other thing that you might need to do, like say you get a broker or somebody that's requesting a certificate of insurance and they want a schedule of vehicles, you can hit this drop down over here, click this, and it will attach an additional form to the certificate when you go to email it and send certificate. You can also, one other little thing, this little button here will download a blank certificate. Like if you want to keep one in your truck or have it on file wherever, you can just click this little button and it will download a blank certificate of insurance with no certificate holder. It's not completely blank certificate. It's got your company's info and all your policy info, but no certificate holder. It's just plain, like we didn't add a certificate holder. So that's it. And hope this was helpful. Glad you guys watched this, and have fun sending your own certificates. But always remember, you can send them to me too, Daniel at charlesstring.com. Happy to help. Have a good one, guys.